Welcome to my channel, viewer. See, here is a integral of 0 to 2 pi e to the power cos theta and cos of sin theta d theta. Okay, and here is the integral 0 to a x into a minus x whole to the power n dx, and that is equal to a to the power n and whole divided by m into m times of m minus 1. Then find n equal to what? Okay. See, first choose this question, and for that, and that is equal to, this is 0 to 2 pi, okay, e to the power cos theta, and the real part of, and the real part of e to the power I sin theta into d theta, okay, and that is equal to real part of 0 to 2 pi e to the power cos theta into e to the power I into sin theta, okay, and that is the real part of zero to 2 pi. The series is 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta by factorial 1, cos theta plus sin theta whole square by factorial 2, plus cos theta plus I sin theta whole cube by factorial 3, plus dot dot and d theta, okay, and this is equal to the only the real part of 0 to 2 pi. This is 1 plus cos theta by factorial 1 plus cos 2 theta by factorial 2, okay, and d theta, and that is equal to not real to real here. This is exactly, this is real. So if we integrate this is theta sin theta by factorial n, sin 2 theta by 2 factorial 2, and so on, and this is 0 to 2 pi. If we substitute the limit here, then we get here 2 pi, and all the remaining all are 0, as we see that this is the sine of angle, that is 2 pi, 4 pi, like that, and this is the multiple of pi, so that's why all are 0. If we put lower limit, then we get here all the 0, so answer is this, okay. Next problem is first, here is the problem is that, and this is 0 to a, doing here is minus x, so multiply by minus x here, and this is minus a, and add a, then we get the form of that, so this is doing minus a, and a minus x to the power n dx, and that is a to the power m and m times of m minus 1, and this is minus, if we multiply this 0 to a here, and a minus x to the power n plus 1, minus minus plus, say a times of 0 to a minus x to the power n dx, and this is a to the power m by m into m minus 1. If we integrate, and this is actually dx, okay, So if we integrate this, then we get here a minus x to the power n plus 2 by n plus 2, and the derivative here is minus, so minus minus plus, so the limit here is 0 to a. Same as a 0 to a, so the integration of that here is a minus x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, and c, if we differentiate, then we get here minus also, so the limit here is 0 to a. Okay, and that is equal to a to the power m by m into m minus 1. So now if we put the upper limit, then this is a 0, so 0 minus, if we put here 0, so a to the power n plus 2 by here n plus 2, and this is, if we put here this is here a. Okay, if we put here 0, then this is something is 0. If we put here in case of 0, this is a to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, m or m into m minus 1. See, minus plus, so a to the power m n plus 2 by n plus 1. This is a to the power n plus 2 by n plus 2. This is a to the power m 1 by m minus 1 minus 1 by n. Okay, split this factor partial fraction. So now take a common, a to the power n plus 2. Now here n plus 1 minus n plus 2. See, if we compare both sides, then we get actually m equal to n plus 2. Okay, if we put in place of n m, that is n plus 2. If we put here n plus 2, then we get n plus 1. If we put here n plus 2, then we get n plus 2. So the value of m here is n plus 2. Okay, bye everybody. See the video carefully. I will be happy to see this. Okay.